Hi, I'm Ava.
Hi, I'm Avi.
Welcome to our channel. I'm back. Yep. So I guess today is Santa Claus. He's gonna do. Okay, enough of that dancing for now.
Today we are gonna be building a KitKat cabin.
And also, we're gonna build two. There's two of them, and like there's one small and there's one big. You have anything to say about it?
So it looks kind of delish because it's KitKat, even though I don't like KitKat, but
Yeah, and it has some good.
it has Smarties. I like Smarties.
Yeah, and it has some. I haven't made this before, but I know it's yummy. Waiting for it, so let's open it and build it. Woo! Okay.
So this is what we got in the box. We got a lot of big KitKats, some little KitKats, and white chocolate KitKats.
We got frosting and Smarties.
And sprinkles.
We got a cherry and then more things like that. You're waiting for Avery. Let's build it, right? I need the instructions. Are there any instructions?
Just gonna put the big ones. I mean,
It's melting. So we freeze it a little bit and put it in the freezer or fridge, and that because like it was melting, so it's kind of hard to build. So you have to kind of build it fast because it will melt. So that's why you have to. So I guess so now we know if we get another step, we have to put it in the freezer first.
and also our house is really warm because it's really cold outside. So yeah, that's also another reason why it's melting. My hands got really messy during I was like making it, and if you look back, I'm like disappearing somehow. That's me washing my hands because it was really messy. But anyway, this is mine and this is Azzy's. So what I have performed was I used this delightful, exquisite beads made out of chocolate, which is called Smarties, which probably make you smart. So I put them along the top of the roof and the sides of the roof. And I also use it for the doorknob and my cute snowman. And he's smirking. And yeah. And I also have a window, but we don't talk about it.
Okay. So, I guess you got the idea for the window for me because I put the window on first.
I put it before you.
Well, maybe you did. I don't know. So anyway, I put a window too, and it doesn't really look good. And then I tried to put it on the right side, but it turned out the doorknob went into the middle of the door. So I guess it'll be a weird house, but it doesn't matter. What matters the most is we have fun. Did you have fun, Amy? What? Anyway, Santa did. And
something.
yeah, just watching. And then I put some Smarties too. And kind of put some chocolate here too. And I don't know why, but the M&M's fell. Yeah.
Smarties.
Smarties. I get
Yeah, tornado in there.
Yeah.
My dish is very exquisite and extravagant. So basically, these log-like chocolate is made out of wafers and covered with milk chocolate. And it's the same thing on top, but it's covered with milk chocolate. And here's like vanilla.
I wouldn't do that if I were you, Avery. No! And around the house, I also included this key so we can open our doors. Let's just pretend. Okay.
Mystery.
Okay, so I opened mine, and then yeah, we're gonna eat it after. Where's your door? Check this into your door, like, but not for real. Okay, now let's eat it. No, not mine. So bye for now, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell button below. You know what time it is. Goodbye for now. Bye-bye.
Bakit?
Good job. And I wanted to eat it.
Bye.
Ah, see ya.
No, don't want.